to learn Japanese? If so, this is for you. Anki is a digital flashcard tool for learning Japanese vocabulary. So what does Anki do well? Konnichiwa, I'm Mineko Arai, a professional Japanese teacher, and I studied Applied Japanese Linguistics. If you want to speak confidently, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so we'll keep improving together. 4 features that help build your Japanese. 1. Personalized flashcards. Creating your own vocabulary list is effective for memorizing. 2. Gap-filling tasks. You create your sentence with key Japanese phrases in brackets to help you remember. 3. Image and audio. You can add an image to a card and record the pronunciation of the word to help you memorize. The more senses you use, the better you remember. 4. Schedule revision. You can choose your preferred time to revise. For example, after 1 hour, a day, and a week. You've used Anki? Great job! You've learned lots of Japanese phrases and remember basic Japanese grammar structure. So why don't you use this knowledge to help begin speaking Japanese? My student who created his own vocabulary list and revised every day still struggled to use the word. When he started using them in his real-life settings through my Japanese lessons, he gained confidence and was able to have a conversation finally. It's time for you to express yourself with the Japanese phrases you studied. You know grammatical structure and want to have speaking practice. You remember phrases but struggle to express your real thought. You memorize phrases but don't often have a chance to use them in your daily life. To use the phrases you've learned and speak naturally with a Japanese native, you need to start speaking daily. You can use even more senses to remember better. 1. Master Speaking Japanese is for you. Master Speaking Japanese is designed to help you use your vocabulary in everyday scenarios, speaking Japanese confidently, naturally, and personally with the support of professional native teachers. 1. Clear grammar and vocabulary. Speak as yourself using Japanese vocabulary that you have memorized. You understand grammar deeply with Japanese mindset and perceptions and nuance. 2. Personalized speaking practice. Practice conversations relevant to your life with the Japanese expression that you studied. Question and answer format helps you think and respond naturally in real time. Repeat after hearing a natural human voice of native speakers. 3. Real-life lesson videos. Understand how to act politely like a native Japanese speaker. You'll stand out like all my students do. You'll see authentic body language and tone. This in context with clear, useful scenarios. For example, Lesson 1. How to order your favorite food at a table. Lesson 2. How to take out your favorite drink. Lesson 3. How to ask about items that you really want to buy in a shop. Each lesson includes 3 short videos up to the first 17 lessons and 4 videos afterwards, all about 5 minutes each. Watch it at your coffee break. Plus, you can access the audio version of the model conversation while you're walking. 4. Human interactions. Learn from videos featuring native Japanese speakers, including me, your teacher. Receive expert tips and feedback to help you study smarter, not harder. Are you ready to speak Japanese for real? If you're serious about connecting with Japanese people and expressing yourself naturally, try Master Speaking Japanese. Get started with 7 free lesson videos and join live support sessions with me. Or gift a short Japanese course for your loved one. Please sign up from www.araiacademy.com. The link is in the description box below. Let's take your Japanese to the next level together. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.